Hey guys, this is a way I found to skip unskippable ads on Chrome. Um, it's using this plugin that you can get on the Chrome plugin store called Transpose. It's totally free. I used it for music. I found this by mistake, but I found that it works for any type of unskippable ad. So I'll show you with YouTube first. I turned my normal ad block off. It started to not work on YouTube videos. But anyway, let me try to get a YouTube video with an ad so I can show you what I mean.
One of the great games.
Yeah, of course, I'm not going to get an ad now.
Hard.
If only.
Okay, so 30-second ad and there's two ads. But what you got to do is click on the plugin. There's a little progress bar here. You just click to the end of it. And
When you can set up reliable
And all sorts.
it skips anything. I found this works in other places, like anything with ads, really. So I think I should
On a
have,
hyped up van.
yeah. So here we have 45-second ad. Again, I'm just gonna click to the end, and that's it. Super easy, super simple. Hopefully they don't patch this anytime soon. I'm trying to help some people out. So anyway, let me know if this works for you guys, and